Assalamu alaikum students. This is lecture 1 August for class 8 and 9. Student, this is grammar based lecture for class 8 and 9, lecture 1. Today we shall start figure of speech. Students, we have also started parts of speech. What is the difference between part of speech and figure of speech? Part of speech tells, or we can translate it, बोलने के हिस्से, and figure of speech tells the essence of speech. There are several parts: simile, metaphor, personification, alliteration, irony, imagery, phrase, then clause, etc. So students, you have to learn it by heart and note it down in your neat notebooks. This would be also your assignment for August. I shall check it in September. Please note it down on low sheet and learn it by heart. This will be the part of your exams, inshallah. Figure of speech. Number 1, simile. Comparison of two things or two persons due to some quality by using comparing words as or like is known as simile. इसको हम यूँ भी कह सकते हैं, दो चीज़ों का जब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं और दो अशखास का, लोगों का सम क्वालिटी की वजह से उनके कंपेयरिंग वर्ड्स लाइक, उसमें हम यूज़ करेंगे एज और लाइक. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, एज कोल्ड एज आइस, एज हार्ड एज स्टोन, as sweet as honey, as smoky as clouds, as quiet or as silent as graveyard, as dark as woods. So these are some famous common similes. You will see some example here. Ali is like a brother to me. Ahmed runs as fast as a tiger. One dissimilarity and one similarity, and the use of as or like. So student, then second is metaphor. When we use a word ironically or critically to compare two things or two persons without any comparing words as or like, then it will be metaphor. Gama was Rustam of Pakistan. Ali is Tiger of our area. Ahmad is Iqbal of our school. So this is like metaphor. What is the difference between simile and metaphor, students? In simile, we use as and like, similarity and dissimilarity of a person or things, and what we have done in metaphor, we didn't use as and like these two words, and we have done same job. So third is personification. When we describe qualities of living things, person towards non-living things is known as personification. Death lays its city hands on kings. Opportunity knocks at the door, but once the flowers were dancing in the breeze. So students, जब हम non-living things को living things की qualities देते हैं, then it is known as personification, to personify. Then alliteration. When two or more words give same sound in a sentence, this term is known as alliteration. How high his honor holds his haughty head. The fair breeze blew beside the sea. She sells seashells by the seashore. B. These sounds are coming frequently. Then the repetition of this sound is called alliteration. Then students, irony. When we use the words in opposite meaning ironically to create wonder, mockery or fun, mockery or taunt. Ali is very intelligent where he is very dull. Like, तुम बहुत अक्लमंद हो. Then Ali is very intelligent. whereas Ali is dull. So sometimes this is called irony. You come in time as the person is not punctual. So this is irony. So students, in next lecture I will tell you about further figure of speech.